NowLab is an interdisciplinary design studio based in Berlin. We are fusing high-level experience in architecture with a profound expertise of contemporary digital design and manufacturing technologies. We in the studio also think that we are innovators, that we explore new ways of working, new ways of designing.
New ways of production also. With the BigRep ONE, we could just immediately make the design and produce it. So this process is totally more sharpened, it gets shorter, and it's also more precise.
The Blackforest Chair was an investigation we were doing in the studio in terms of generative design processes in combination with additive manufacturing. The project explores contemporary digital simulation tools that enables you to make organic shapes with the help of algorithms. And therefore, the Blackforest Chair is a good example of a digital complexity which is generated through simulation and digital design process into a physical object through 3D printing. But in the end, you have a huge variety of different models which you can pick and then further develop. You could not manufacture it at all with another technology. So it is so complex in the way it's made. It has undercuts, it has a lot of different weavings within the geometry of the legs. That's why the idea of having a BigRep in your studio is also so beautiful, because then there is no disruption anymore. You sit on your laptop, you make a design, you have communication between each other and can ping-pong your design ideas, and then you can just overnight send it and next day discuss it, and then the whole process is way faster. I think this is a major benefit of it.
The Glacier Stool is a project that we started with the BigRep together, knowing already that we would be able to print a complete chair. So we were inspired by the glacier melting of the Mendenhall Glacier in Canada. We have layers of snow which are put on top of each other, compacted, become ice after some time, and then they start to melt from within. And these inner melting processes create really nice geometries that are only found in these kind of caves. This topic inspired us to directly translate this natural phenomena into the realm of 3D printing. The fact that it's dissolved inside, that it has this inside structure, and as you say, it's translucent, it really adds another layer that's not possible with a classical technique, and that was what we were fascinated with in this project.
So in this case, the piece is printed layer by layer, which we also combine with our design idea. There is no waste, there is no milled out material, and at the same time we used a biodegradable filament, in this case a PLA filament, which you can recycle 100%. Our first tests, you see also the complexity which we already here try to get. This is part of our collaboration to have a win-win situation between us as a designer and BigRep as a manufacturer to evolve the manufacturing process, the production line, to be innovative consequently. That's why it's using a lot of the ideas we have in the studio coming from nature, coming from digital technologies to somehow create objects that are previously not possible to manufacture, and that are, we always call it unseen objects, something that hasn't been there before, but which is building up on a heritage. So you really need a machine that enables you to make your digital idea physical.